Lily's first time at Bachman's on Valentine's Day. Do you see the birdies over there? Oh, little birdies. Chirp, chirp, chirp. You've never seen a birdie before, have you? No. What's that, Lily? What's that? Are those a birdie? Yeah. Oh, cool. There they go. Yeah, you've never seen a bird before. Whoa. You've never seen a bird before. There they go. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, birdie. Bye-bye.